This is an existing deck. Let's check its current dimensions as we are about to transform and extend this into a new one.
This one deck is 78. It's about 564. Overhang, both sides. Overhang here 10 inches. And then overhang this way another 10 inches. The beam are 2-ply 2x8s, 2-ply 2x8s. The deck joists are also 2x8s, spaced at 16 inches. And then you have deck boards here, which are 1x6, connected to a ledger board, 2x8 ledger board. We're trying to have a deck that's going to be 8 foot by 11 foot at the most. And we're going to use moment frames. We're going to add a ledger board, put some blocking inside the basement, and kind of go from there.